Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasser Khan and today I will be going through binary to denary, denary to binary conversions. Before we get started, it's important to know that in your exam you are expected to be able to convert a denary number, the number humans work with, into a binary number and vice versa. So to get started, we are going to convert the following number into denary. The number is 0111100. When tackling a question like this, I would recommend you to write the value of each bit above or below and then add the values where there is a 1 underneath. So here it's 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 and plus 4. And total them up and you should get 124. Here again, convert the following number 11110001 into denary. Let's add the values and let's do the addition. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 1, which is 241. Let's do one more. Convert the following number into denary. 10001111. Add the values and then add up all the ones. 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equivalent to 143. Now convert the denary number 204 into binary. What I would recommend you do is write the value of the bits, check if the value fits into the bit. If it does fit into the bit, you add a 1. If it doesn't, then you add a 0. And once you've done, just double check your answer so you know it's 100% correct, as it's easy to make a mistake when dealing with so many ones and zeros. So let's get started. The first question we ask ourselves, does 128 fit into 204? Yes, it does. So we add a 1 and we subtract the 128 from 204 with 76 remaining. Then we ask ourselves, does 64 fit into 76? Yes, it does. We add a 1 and we move on to the next one. Does 32 fit into 12? No. So we put a 0 and we move on to the next one. Does 16? No again. So we move on. Does 8 fit into 12? Yes, it does. So we put a 1 and move on to the next one. 4 does. It's a perfect fit. And now we know the other two are going to be 0 because we have no remainder. So we add a 0. Let's just double check. 128 plus 64 plus 8 plus 4 equals 204. Now it's time for you to tackle some exam questions. The answers to these exam questions will be up in the next video. The first question is, a register in a computer contains binary digits. The contents of the register could represent a binary integer. Convert the binary integer to denary. Question number 2. The content of the register could represent the ASCII value for the single denary digit 7. Write down the ASCII value for 9 in binary. Question 3. A manufacturer of aeroplane engines assigns a denary identification number to each engine. One engine has the ID 0431. Convert this denary number to a 12-bit binary format. What is the denary base 10 value of the binary number 00100100? An alarm clock is controlled by a microprocessor. It uses the 24-hour clock. The hour is represented by an 8-bit register, A, and the number of minutes is represented by another 8-bit register, B. Identify what time is represented by the following two 8-bit registers. An alarm has been set for 7:30. Two 8-bit registers, C and D, are used to represent the hours and minutes of the alarm time. Show how 7:30 would be represented by these two registers.